Hey, Green Squad. So, my dog had a seizure. My mom thinks he had a seizure because my brother saw him on his side and, he kept falling and my mom kept, picking him up. And so she's gonna take him to the vet, so I give you all an update. And I really hope he doesn't die on me because he's, always there for me. So I hope he doesn't die on me because then my heart's gonna be broken forever. And he's the best dog ever. And I don't want to let him go yet. And yeah, so pray for me, please. And yeah, see you on the next video. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I hope he doesn't die because he's my favorite dog, and I'm not really I never play with him, so I'm gonna start doing that because he might die the next day. I don't know, but yeah, I'll give you guys updates, but yeah, bye.